Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and after multiple requests from my husband and with the help of some online videos, I finally learned how to cut his hair from home using this Wahl clipper set. Along with the clippers, this set comes with everything that I need for a complete haircut for my husband from start to finish. There are a whole bunch of guards that are numbered according to lengths. I really appreciate the wide variety of lengths that these guards provide because I can get exactly the right length without being worried about cutting too much off. For the start of my husband's haircut for the bottom half of his head, I usually use the number 3 or 4. This gives him a nice, neat, short haircut without being too short. I find the clippers to be really comfortable in my hand and they feel really secure there. So this gives me a lot of control for even hair cutting. The electrical cord is nice and long so I can easily walk around my husband to get all the sides of his head. There is no need for me to do multiple passes over one area of hair because these clippers cut really thoroughly. When I use the clippers without a guard, I can use the included comb in the kit to help blend the top of his hair with the sides. I can give my husband a complete haircut in less than half an hour using this kit. Even though I initially felt really intimidated about starting to cut my husband's hair, this Wahl clipper set made it really easy for me to get started. And that's my point of view.